Hello everyone, the Quesadilla Guy here, coming at you with a day 2 of Costa Rica vlog. Here we are at the Bocarina Trail in Costa Rica. We get to walk and see any animal that decides to show up. We see 2 beautiful frogs, one poisonous, one non. See some worker ants working. We see a iguana chilling on a tree through a binoculars. Guess what? We see the man, the sloth, sleeping, chilling. We get to see this beautiful bird that I don't remember the name off the top of my head. Look at these beautiful green creatures that I also don't know the name of it. Just look at them, feasting on bananas. You see this squirrel be a jerk and secure a banana but drop the rest. We see this cool green iguana. Look at him go. See these ducks turn up? What's up with that? But today is amazing. Good morning. On my little nest. It's super bright for like 7 o'clock in the morning. So nice. It's so nice. I slept twice. Yeah, got a hat on now. And a little thing for my hair. But yeah, now we're about to do a tour in the forest. Look at us on a little trail. Sorry if I'm not speaking too much. It's just like, how do you talk through nature like this? Like, I'm in the woods right now. In the woods. It's insane.
He's going to the right. This tree, hook the tree with the roots, wrap it around, and that tree gonna kill the big tree on the bottom. So this is the ficus, so fico killer. One tree kill the other. More to the left, and then you don't have the roots. Let me change the light like this maybe. There, that's the place where they put the garbage. All called the back door. So they have a back door there. You see the laser right there? That's the back door where they put the garbage. Okay. This is the main door where they put the leaf inside. So this colony is way back there. See the laser back there? Yeah. All this area is big. Will be 80 square meter for 12 meter deep. Now they get lost. They don't know where to go because they follow by smell. So they're blind. On the colony will be 5 million of ants. Soldier protected the house. The bigger, the stronger. If you walk back there on the ground, they coming for you. Many soldiers.
This is fun. Walking through the forest.
Last night I make a photo of the owl with the flashlight. I make a red.
Oh look, people are taking photos of this thing.
Look at the low leaf. You see right there?
Ah.
You see a frog?
Ah, that's the frog.
This is the red-eyed tree frogs.
Sugar cane.
Guaro is a Costa Rica drink.
Guaro. That's so pretty, like being able to just like walk back into the forest or back to civilization. Hidden tour. I would love to do the chocolate one. Oh look, they got the cacao seeds right there. That's cool. Look at that. Oh, I'm zooming in on a leaf. I'm a fucking idiot. But yeah, so far Costa Rica forests are insanely cool. Super tall trees. The atmosphere feels perfect. Like the weather is amazing. Perfect enough to not need a jacket, but if you go high enough, it gets windy, so you put one on. But right now, we're still just making our way through the forest. Just like looking at things I've never seen before. Like these gigantically tall trees. These are huge. And like there's a cocoa farm over there for cocoa seeds for like chocolate. More stuff over there. Little tiny river. I saw a frog. I saw a poisonous frog. That was cool. Saw some sloths. What are they looking at? Let's see. Let's go look at what they're looking at.
Right there. Right there. In the branch.
Little tiny frog. Poisonous though. It's so cool finding things like in the forest like this. Like look at these gigantically big rooted trees. It's insane how like thirsty these trees can get with like the level of humidity that this place can offer. Like these trees are tall. I said that wrong, but these trees are ridiculously tall. Like they're some of the tallest trees I've ever seen. I don't really go outside that much though. I'm a computer baby.
Brown, green, photo. Wanna make photos on the back? A long time ago, the native Costa Rica Indians, they called the flock bird. And you know, this tree had milk, like a cow. See? That milk, when it dry, just like this, you put the light there, and it burn like tire. This tree did the milk just like this. The elastic. This is a rubber tree. Rubber tree. The people use this to make a hat, rain jackets, rubber boots, tires. My mom used this to make a fire on a mountain because she cooked with the wood. But here it's not possible fire because too wet and green.
See his little legs? No. It's a frog eggs, right?
Baby frog.
Yeah.
Lumbre lo quita. Va. No, muévelo, lo quita, lo pone. Ajá.
We made it. And we got a little pineapple. What do you think?
They're good. You want to be like the girls and eat the pineapple bird watching?
Oh, eat them while watching? Oh yeah.
You can just take a photo. Muy fuego.
Oh, pretty looking squirrel. Oh, go, you little freedom fighter. Go. Oh, you're a jumper for everybody, aren't you? Oh yeah, get you some. He dropped them all. Oh, he's gone. Thanks to the generous donation from the squirrel, the ducks are eating now. I don't know where to look. Look at those little things hanging. He's like, what are you looking at? I'm just watching you feed, buddies. They're just splashing in the water. I never not like shooting an outro for my videos. It feels awkward. I I appreciate you watching. It is extremely windy behind me. It's like 1 in the morning. Just finished deciding to upload, or excuse me, I just finished editing what you just saw. If you're watching this outro, I appreciate your time. Honestly, though, thank you. Like the 6 people that watch my videos, thank you. You mean the world to me. And yeah, I look forward to getting home and trying to make content. Like what I'm doing now, I'm just posting. I'm just posting clips, clip, that I think is digestible. When I get home, I'm going to try to, script out how to present my Costa Rica trip. I'm just happy, man. I don't know what the game plan is with me making content. I just know I have to do it. I don't want to, like, make it to whatever end game of my life and wonder what would have happened if I had just stayed on YouTube, or like if I just stayed hungry and just stayed on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know I could do it. I know you can do it. I know we could do anything if we set our mind to. At least I know I can, and I believe in you. You just gotta drink some water, man. And bring a jacket and pants if you're coming to Costa Rica's mountainsides. Like Monteverde is windy. Allegedly, it's windy like this all the time. So, I love you. Thank you for being you. Hopefully, you watch my next video. I am breaking up each day into 2 videos, though, because I am not going to sit there and edit every night like that. It's so hard to, like, dedicate 2 hours of sleep time to do this. Not really hard. I love doing it. I appreciate you giving me your time. I just want to know if I can do it. And if I can do it, can I do it better every time? I doubt it, but I believe in myself. I hope you believe in yourself. I'll talk to y'all later from what seems to be the windiest place in America. And I'm not in America. That's how tired I am. The windiest place in the world right now. Monteverde, Costa Rica. All right, thank you for your time. Goodbye. Peace.